In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use eSignatures in your sales process in just a few minutes. If you're looking to close deals faster, streamline your workflow, and avoid the hassle of paper contracts, this is the guide you've been waiting for. Stick around until the end for a special free trial offer of the software we'll be using in this tutorial. Let's start with why eSignatures are a game changer for your sales process. With eSignatures, you can send, receive, and sign contracts in minutes, not days. This drastically speeds up your sales cycle, allowing you to close deals quicker. Plus, eSignatures are legally binding, so you don't have to worry about authenticity or compliance. First, you'll need to choose the right eSignature software. After trying out several of the most popular options, I found that the software we'll be using today has the perfect balance of features and ease of use. And the best part? You can get an exclusive free trial in the description below, so you can follow along and test it out yourself. Once you've got your software set up, it's time to start incorporating eSignatures into your sales process. Here's how it works. Step 1. Upload your document. Whether it's a proposal, contract, or agreement, simply upload your document to the software. You can drag and drop it or select from your file storage. Step 2. Add signature fields. Next, you'll need to place signature fields in the document where you want your client to sign. The software will guide you on where to place these fields, making it super simple to customize the contract to fit your needs. Step 3. Send it to your client. After setting everything up, you'll send the document directly to your client's email. The software automatically notifies them and they'll get a link to open and sign the document. Step 4. Client signs. The client can sign the document instantly on their device. Whether they're using a computer, tablet, or smartphone, the process is quick and easy for them. The software will even send reminders if they haven't signed yet, so you don't have to chase them down. Step 5. Finalize and store the signed document. Once the document is signed, you'll receive a notification. The signed document is automatically saved in your software account, so you always have a record, and you can easily download or share it with others if needed. That's the basic process of using eSignatures in your sales workflow. It's as simple as uploading a document, adding signature fields, sending it to the client, getting it signed, and storing the finalized contract. Key takeaway: eSignatures can dramatically speed up your sales process, reduce errors, and improve your efficiency. Using the right software, like the one we've shown today, makes all of this possible with just a few clicks. To wrap up, remember these main points. Upload your document, add signature fields, send it to your client, have them sign, and store the signed contract. That's the streamlined eSignature process that will save you time and hassle. Before you go, don't forget to take advantage of the exclusive free trial in the description below. Give it a try and see how much easier your sales process can become with eSignatures. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.